It's a great idea.
To the void again. Into the void. Into the void. Into the void. Into the void.
God damn it. What the fuck is he doing? Grab my bike. You wanna go all the way?
No, just fucking go the road. Just go the road, just go the road. Fuck it, just get on, go up here. Just go.
This is a horrible idea, gentlemen.
It's a great idea.
Make sure you guys get off the first exit on the left. You're getting out of Amsterdam. Get off this highway. Left. Amsterdam 179 is where you're getting out at.
Let me grab on, man.
What?
Could I grab onto the back?
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I won't. Thanks, man. He was cool.
Yeah.
Fucking kidding me?
Hello.
Hey. So I was just at the office and I'm gonna go see the Statue of Liberty. I left Lucas because he's gonna be there until around 5 or 6. I'm taking the bus all the way to Liberty State Park. And good thing I know a second language because this guy sitting next to me helped me out. It's Lewis, right?
Lewis.
Lewis? Yeah. This is Lewis, by the way. Oye, mucho gusto, man. Gracias. Yeah. You can text me on Instagram. You know? Okay. Yeah, ciao. So, that was Lewis. He pretty much paid for my bus. He helped me out. That's why it's good to know a second language. He helped me get to where I needed to be, which is pretty close to the ferry I gotta get to. So now I'm gonna ride to the park and take the ferry. This freaking sucks. I rode all the way down here. It took me about an hour and 30 minutes, maybe 2 hours. And the ferry's closed. So I'm gonna have to take the long way back home. I did say I was gonna see the Statue of Liberty. So here it is. It's all the way down there. I know it probably doesn't look that big on the camera, but I'm really tired. It sucks that the ferries are closed. It's gonna take me a long ass time to get back home. Hopefully I find another way, but we'll see. I got very lucky. I found a ferry to take me to the other side from New Jersey to New York. Riding back would have sucked because I would have had to gone north for a while. There's only one bridge that connects from New Jersey to New York. To one of my final destinations, the World Trade Center. I think I'm gonna go back home now. I'm done for today. Lucas, thank you for pushing me really hard, but God, man, you're fast even with a 30-pound book bag on your back. That's sick as fuck. Well, I'm done for today.
To the void again.